In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data unparted in Slack. We'll walk through the process from inside your Slack workspace, step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. This is especially useful if you're moving data from another tool into Slack, or bringing in structured information like contacts, tasks, or other records stored in a CSV file. First, make sure you're logged into the correct Slack workspace where you want the data to appear. You'll also need to have the right permissions, typically an admin or owner role, because importing data affects the entire workspace. Once you're in the correct workspace, start by going to the admin section. In the Slack desktop app or the browser version, look for the workspace name near the top left. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose the option that takes you to the admin or settings area. This is your main control panel for managing workspace-wide features. Inside the admin section, look for the option called Data Exports. Even though the name suggests exporting, this area usually also includes tools for managing data that comes into and out of Slack. Click on Data Exports to open that page. On the Data Exports page, find and click on the Import option. This will take you to the area specifically designed for bringing data into Slack. You might see some information here about what kinds of files are supported and how the import works. Take a moment to scan that so you're familiar with any limitations, such as file size or format. Next, you'll see another import button or link to actually begin the setup. Click on that to move forward. At this point, Slack may ask what type of data or source you're importing from. Follow the on-screen instructions, but we'll focus on the general CSV import flow. You'll now see an option labeled Choose File. Click on Choose File and navigate to the CSV file on your computer that contains the data you want to bring into Slack. Before you select it, it's a good idea to make sure the file is clean and properly formatted. Check that column headers are clear and that there are no unexpected blank rows or strange characters. Once you've confirmed that, select the file and upload it. After your file is selected, review any summary or preview that Slack shows you. If everything looks correct, click on Start Import. Slack will begin processing your file. Depending on the size, this can take a little time, so be patient and avoid closing the window until the import is complete. When it finishes, check the relevant channels or section in Slack to confirm that your data has appeared as expected. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust your CSV file and repeat the process.